Hey guys, today I'm gonna build an accent wall for this, so let's get started. We need these. We need plywood. And some 2x4s. First we're gonna do, put some 2x4s on the wall. Make sure you're level and screw each screw into a stud. Next, install your pre-cut plywood. For the other piece of plywood, I did a cutout for the wall mount. We're gonna put liquid nailer on the back of the panels. Then glue the panels to the wall, starting in the corner. Liquid nail takes a minute to dry, so I use clamps to hold it in place. For the last two panels, I needed to cut them down, so I just took scissors and cut them. All the panels are up and drying. And finally, the LEDs. I'm going to stick them on the back using the 3M tape and the provided sticky hooks. For additional details, check the description. Please like and subscribe.